Hey guys, Ricky here with Ricky in Thailand. I got something for you today. Now that you've decided on which drone you want, for example, DJI's Mavic Pro, now you need to carry it around. Now you need to maybe possibly carry it on the plane, throw it in your car, your truck, carry it from one place to the other place. You know, there's a lot of options out there. Do you do hard case, like a Pelican case or something like that? Do you do a soft case, backpack? Or what do you do? What, are you just going to throw it in a Walmart bag? No. You pay good money for this drone, so let's protect it. And I'm going to show you a good setup that allows just that. So this is my case. This is simply a, well, I'm not going to say it's a cheap bag, but it is a great bag. It's made by Canon, and I'm going to show you what this does. Alright, so this bag here is one of my favorite bags. It's a soft bag, and it's able to go on airplane. I can throw it in the back of the truck. I can do everything I want, and it's very compartmentalized. So as you open it, of course you see I got the drone here. It has its own little place. I just pull it out. It's ready to rock and roll. Okay, I got little compartments for spare batteries, and a third compartment if you need it. I actually have this as a charger for the camera that I'm using now. All these compartments can actually be removed and placed wherever you want, so you can make it into whatever you want, and the size is really just perfect for what I need anyway. Over here on the side, I have a compartment to protect my handheld. So this handset is protected. You could get the little bar, little 3D printed bar that comes over there that protects your knobs if you want, and that's cool. But for me, I just put this down in there like that, and I just Velcro it, and it's got tons of room. It's not being banged up against everything, so it works out pretty good. So I got that. I also have in there some things, and it has tons of storage. This is actually a kit from my iPhone. Got tons of storage for your lenses, for your different lenses that you want to put, your covers, your filters for your drone camera, and of course I even have space for my Osmo. I'm going to have a review on this at some time, but yeah, I mean, everything I need in one little pouch, and it's ready to rock and roll. I don't have to go looking for anything. And up here, you know, I got some replacement blades if I need them. Luckily, knock on wood, I haven't needed them there lately. All kind of stuff. So my charging equipment that I have to charge my drone, I keep on the outside zipper bag, the zipper portion. So I got my charger, my little 4-way charger that comes with it. This simply, it's super duper easy. This simply just goes in there. Push that in. Plug this into the wall, and you could put the batteries, and they just charge like this. So easy peasy, right? That one needs to be charged. Oh, I need to charge these. I might do that right now. So this is just a little handy bag. Super duper. It's lightweight. It's small. It's easy to get around in, and it's a really good bag. Again, it's made by Canon. It's really like the same size of like a school pack. You got tons of side compartments if you want to put stuff in. It has this on the side. I'm using it right now, but I usually have my tripod here, and I just zip it up. Super duper easy. It's secure. Mesh back. Nice wide straps so it doesn't bother you. Not that it's a lot of weight. Another pouch over here. So it's a good bag. Comes in a few colors. I got green. So the big deal on this the surprise. This bag, less than 40 bucks. That's right, less than 40 bucks. So it's this bag. And it's made by Canon, small little bag. So I hope this helps. So there you have it. This little bag, under 40 bucks, will carry everything you need as far as your Mavic goes. Tons of mobility, tons of compartments, just a good, it's durable, good product. I like it a lot. It's Canon. I got a Canon camera as well. It's just a coincidence, but it's a good bag. This is the size, you know, it's just a little bit bigger than the drone itself, so easy to carry with you, inconspicuous. So I hope you like this. It's just a little brief look on some of my equipment that I use whenever I do my drone, and how I carry it from point A to point B. So if you like this, do hit subscribe, do share it with your friends, and I do really appreciate you watching this. So I hope you have a good time and safe flying.